Hello everyone. We will today be discussing about different scales of measurement that are used in psychology or psychological researches. Basically, the different measurement scales which were given by Stanley Steves is used to quantify the variables. Quantification basically means when we are providing them numbers, or you can say to use the quantitative methods. Moreover, this concept of scales or different scales of measurement or measurement scales is much of theoretical, and they are less applicable in the practical field or when we are actually doing our research or something. There are four basically scales which are there, that are nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. If we talk about nominal scale basically measure our data in the form of categories, or these categories can be called as so-called labels. For example, we are just counting the number of males and females participating in a particular research. So what we will doing, we will using simple frequency tables, that there are males and there are, and the second category would be females. So when any scale is used to just to categorize the groups or labels, we will be using it under a nominal scale. When the scale is working under two categories, it is called as dichotomies. The second form of scale is ordinal scale, or you can say it is basically used for the non-numerical concepts or ranking. When there are different statistical tools like rank correlation, where we actually rank the data according in an increasing order or a decreasing order, we are basically doing it with the help of ordinal scale. Both the nominal scale and ordinal scale are used in non-parametric techniques. Non-parametric techniques like ranking correlation, Fisher's test, or chi-square. All these are non-parametric tests which are done under nominal and ordinal scale. The third type of scale is interval scale, that is used with the numerical data. In this, every quantity has the same difference. That means, for example, in saying yes or no, if we point yes as 1, no as 0, then they would, or you can say yes as 2, can't say as 1, and no as 0. So the distance between 0 and 1 would be equal to distance between 1 and 2. So the difference between the intervals would be equal. Here we are using the interval scale. The one problem with interval scale is that it doesn't have any true 0 point. That means variables which are measured under this scale would not be having 0. That is the reason why it is used in behavioral sciences like psychology, where none of the attribute can be 0. None of the attribute of psychology like intelligence, personality can be 0. The last scale is ratio scale, that is not used in psychology. The only difference between interval and ratio scale is that interval scale is not having any true 0 and ratio scale would be having a true 0. So in physical sciences or physics or chemistry or any other sciences, we basically use ratio scale where there is a true 0, like for measuring temperature, like measuring height, etc. So this was all about the different scales of measurement. Hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for your time. Do subscribe us. Please press the bell button so that you can get the notification for the latest video. Thank you so much.